Hi guys, what's up? This is Shubhadeep from eGadgets for you. Now in this video I'll show you a complete review of the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3V. Have been using this tablet for the past week and thought of preparing a full review video for the potential buyers. First of all, Samsung has targeted this particular tablet for the lower range sections and the categories. It's priced around 10,500 INR. This particular tablet was released in Philippines at first and some other Asian countries. Lately, it has been released in India with a 5 megapixel shooter at the back. The Samsung Galaxy Tab 3V has a 3600 milliampere of battery that is fixed at the back. It's a non-removable battery that has a talk time lasting value of 8 hours. On heavy multitasking and heavy duty, I have seen this particular tablet lasted for one full working day. The Samsung Galaxy Tab 3V boasts of a 7-inch of diagonal display screen. It has a resolution support of 1024 into 600 pixel. It supports a pixel density of 170 ppi. Those figures are quite low, but having said that, the price is also not higher for this particular tablet. It has a TFT capacitive touchscreen with 16 mm of color. The Gorilla Glass is missing. The Galaxy Tab 3V weighs around 322 grams. So, in a gist, I can say that the brightness, contrast and the saturations are not the greatest that we see in the latest devices from Samsung Galaxy, but it's something that users who are targeting to buy this particular tablet can live with it. Now if I swipe the screen from top to bottom, you will see that the toggle screen are quite familiar and it is quite similar to the one present in other normal Android handsets from Samsung. If I very quickly go down to settings and then navigate to about device, it shows that the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3V runs an Android version of 4.4.4, which is KitKat. Storage wise, it has 8 gigs of internal memory and supports an external SD card up to 32 gigs. So in a way, there is no skimp of storage, but the internal storage is a matter of concern because after some time you will get the warning of a low space availability, but you can easily transfer the apps to the external SD card using the application manager. Similarly, under settings, you will find that there are no such special features or technicalities that you will see, but it's pretty much straightforward and very basic and normal things that we see in any other handsets or tablet. Now let us check a performance review of the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3V by hitting the AnTuTu benchmark test. As you can see that its scores are 18,108. I am not saying that it's the highest end of the day in technical figures, but still, considering the specs and the features associated with this particular tablet, I must say that it's decent. Not the greatest, but it's something that features expected out of this particular device. Now if I further navigate to the device info, you will find that this particular Tab 3V runs on a quad-core processor that is clocked at 1.3 GHz. It has a 1 GB of RAM. Since we are connected to the internet, let us quickly go ahead and fire up the browser. Let us open our official website egadgetsforyou.com. Now as you can see that the keyboard present over here, it's something that we are not familiarized with the latest Galaxy tablets or the handsets that comes along with. It gives the impressions of somewhat backdated or we used to see in the tablets some say 2 to 3 years back. So but still they are spacious enough and can easily be typed upon. Okay, let me hit go. As you can see that it loaded the website fast enough. Okay, let me just go ahead and read on particular news. Now as always, a tablet is always used for reading purposes. Now in this particular tab review, if you see that the pinch to zoom is working, I should not say that it's working the greatest or the fastest enough. There is a little bit of hint of lagging behind, but the display angles on a reading perspective are not that bad either. A user can easily read through the particular news, get to see the articles, get to see the pictures very well. The displays is good enough, good for the human eyes. Nothing fancy enough to brag about, but still looks good from a reading perspective. Let us test the quality of the speakers and the video by checking a YouTube video. Now just a heads up, I am checking a video from my wife's YouTube channel, Cook with Chonali. As you can see, this particular tablet supports 720p YouTube videos. So let's go ahead and check the video now.
Easy to make at home. So let's have a look at the ingredient. 1 cup of soaked basmati rice, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic,
As you can see, the sound is not the greatest. It's nothing like that the sound is very high, but still it's sweet, it's decent enough, and I guess it's something which may feel good with our 3.5 jack input headphone, although the headphone does not comes with the tablet. As far as the camera for the Galaxy Tab 3V goes, it's a 5 megapixel shooter at the rear end. It has some of the standard settings that comes along with any budget handphones, smartphones from Samsung Galaxy. As you can see, it does has the autofocus. Along with that, there are certain modes available. Now from the modes, if we see, you will see the auto, the beauty face, the panorama, the best photo, the continuous shots, the night shots, and the sports mode are available over here. Now this particular camera does not have a flash, so I guess the pictures are not that bright enough. Let me guide you through some of the pictures that I have taken using this particular tablet. As you can see in the portrait mode also, the pictures did not come so much bright. They are not so distinct enough also. Similarly for this, each and every photos are taken in good light conditions as well as use the tap to focus also. But still, I cannot vouch for the fact that they are the best of pictures or something like that. But at the end of the day, I do not guess a camera on the tablet is not used for your primary camera purposes and all. So that way or the other, it may get through your work done somewhere around the corner. The Samsung Galaxy Tab 3V does not have a front camera. The back camera records a video at 480p at 24 frames per second. That is also on the lower side. The Samsung Galaxy Tab 3V is also used for calling purposes. It supports a 3G micro SIM, so you can easily insert the SIM just over there right above on the left hand side of this particular tablet and make calls. The keypad are spacious enough, it looks good, looks decent, so you can make a call very easily. Reading SMSs will also be a delight as it has a 7-inch of display. But the orientation of the tablet is somewhat that we used to see in the old tablets of Samsung Galaxy some 2 to 3 years back. As far as my verdict goes, the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3V costs something around 10,450 INR, so it is targeted for the lower ranges. Hence the specifications and the features are also not on the higher side either. I guess this particular tablet can suffice you for a reading material, and maybe watching some movies with your headphone can work out good. Apart from that, for multitasking and some other point of view, I do not say that this particular tablet will boast of some great features that you can use the latest offerings in the app stores that are found in the market nowadays. It remains to be seen that who are the potential buyers of the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3V. Hopefully so, it turns out good for you. I hope this particular video helps. Please stay subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll catch you guys in my next video very soon. That's it guys, bye for now.